Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use an R sketch. First, ensure your R environment is ready by opening RStudio or your preferred R console. Next, load any required libraries such as ggplot2 using the library function. Then import your dataset into R, typically using functions like read, CSV, or read Excel. Finally, prepare your data for plotting by cleaning or transforming it as needed. Now let's build a basic plot. Start by defining the aesthetic mappings, which link data variables to visual properties like X and Y axes. For example, map temperature to the Y-axis and time to the X-axis. Next, select a geometric object or geome such as geome point for scatter plots or geome line for line graphs. Finally, add clear labels for your axes and a descriptive title to your plot for better understanding. To make your R sketch more impactful, let's explore customization options. You can easily adjust the colors, shapes, and sizes of your plot elements to highlight specific data points or categories. Modify the axis limits and add custom breaks to focus on particular data ranges. Furthermore, incorporate different themes like Theme Minimal or Theme Classic to change the overall aesthetic and make your plot visually appealing. Finally, let's learn how to export and share your R sketch. You can save your plot in various image formats, such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF, using functions like ggsave. Remember to specify the desired dimensions and resolution to ensure high-quality output. For instance, set the width to 8 inches and the height to 6 inches with a resolution of 300 dpi. Sharing your well-crafted visualizations helps communicate your data insights effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.